In this screencast, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to navigate a typical Archway Block Explorer. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast, a developer, or simply interested in exploring the Archway network, this tutorial will help you understand how to use this powerful tool. Block explorers function similarly to search engines, offering a graphical interface for data visualization within a network. They empower users to track every transaction that has transpired on a blockchain, tracing back from the genesis block all the way up to the most recently mined block. Additionally, data can be scrutinized down to a specific address, revealing all associated transactions and token balances. Not only do block explorers provide granular information about each block, but they also supply an array of network statistics. For blockchains that support smart contracts, such as Archway, block explorers can furnish in-depth details, encompassing source code, transaction history, and event logs related to these contracts. To access the Archway Block Explorer, open your web browser and type the following URL directly into the address bar. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're using the MintScan Block Explorer, covering the Archway Constantine testnet, and in some areas the Cosmos Hub network. The dashboard acts as the home page for the particular chain. It offers a detailed overview of the network status, including key metrics such as the latest block height, total transactions, average block time, inflation rate, staking, latest blocks and transactions. The Validators page provides an overview of the active and inactive validators within the network, giving details such as their voting power, uptime, and commission. You can click on each validator to get more detailed information to guide you in selecting the best validators to delegate to. This page provides some insights into the blocks that have been added to the blockchain. Each block represents a set of transactions and other information that's been validated and appended to the chain. The Transaction tab shows a list of the latest transactions, which includes the transaction hash, type of transaction, result, block height, etc. This page offers a detailed overview of the governance proposals in the network. In a decentralized network, governance proposals are crucial as they allow stakeholders to vote on network upgrades, parameter changes, or other important decisions. The Relayers page provides detailed insights about the activity of relayers on the network. Relayers are critical for interoperability in the Cosmos ecosystem, as they relay information and transactions between different blockchains connected through the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. The Assets page provides a comprehensive overview of the different tokens or assets present within the network. It's a convenient tool for tracking the overall status and activity related to these assets. This page provides information about the current configuration parameters of the network. These parameters play a vital role in defining how the blockchain operates. Let's say you want to look up a specific block or transaction. Simply enter the block or transaction hash into the search bar and press enter. Here's an example. As you can see, the block details, including transaction details, timestamp, and gas used, appear right here. The messages that make up the actual transaction are also shown in detail. Another key feature of the Block Explorer is the ability to search for a specific address. This can be useful if you want to check the transaction history or balance of a particular address. To do this, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the address you're interested in and hit enter. Underneath the balance, you'll see a history of all transactions associated with this address. Each entry will show you the block height, transaction hash, timestamp, and other details of the transaction. That concludes our tutorial on navigating the Archway Block Explorer. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.